Hello, so this time I'm going to present one feature I did for the start chat options. Basically what I have done up front, I have embed code. Also in embed code I am prefilling one of the variables. Let's say this time is player class. And in additional chat variables I have defined this variable. So our goal this time is to show custom start chat message based on player class even before the chat was started. So for that we will use bot and we will use widget themes. So let's start with bot constructor first of all. So let's name our bot start chat. Oh, now let's go here and group default. We will use trigger support, which I did a few days ago. Check conditions. Let's name it, and we'll use check conditions to proceed. Let's save this, and let's name it VAP. Hello VAP, and hello non-VAP, non-VAP. We can name it like this. So in check conditions we have here, for example, we can use chat contains even or text like whatever you prefer. Use VAP, met VAP, not met non-VAP. So now the trick is to show this custom text based on player class. So how do I embed this check here in start chat form? So we will create widget themes. No default. No, just. And we go to custom content. We choose bot start chat. Also we have to make it possible to choose this trigger as our start chat option. So it should be checked, we can be passed as argument. We do same here and we do same here, and I will explain why we need them for all three. So now if we just refresh, let's type name again, custom content, and we choose start chat, and we choose check condition. You see, by default it defaults to non-VAP. Now we save. To avoid embed changing embed code, we just choose here default theme. If we refresh, you see, I see message hello VAP, so it checked. And now if in that code I change something non-VAP, on another screen you see it's non-VAP. If I refresh, you see it's message non-VAP. Now why we needed to check these buttons can be passed as argument, because if we want to present different buttons, add quick reply options, low VAP. So hello VAP button, we add another trigger here, hello VAP, save, and we choose it as execute trigger and hello VAP. So we have this button here. So this is for VAP, and for non-VAP if I change, I have something like that VAP, non-VAP. conditions. Oh. Okay. So this is non-VIP now. So I would suggest to use something like that, text like, just in case. So non-VIP. So for non-VIP, we want to hide this area and want to show only buttons, so he cannot type directly his message. So for that, we just go to non-VIP and we check with hide text area on response. Okay. So what we have now. So you see, input field is hidden, but now we want to present some button. So check again, hello non-VIP. We add quick reply. None. Oh, just let's write no VIP. Choose execute trigger. Non-VIP. Now if we refresh, you see we have this button, and if we click, nothing happens. So now in the past argument we have here non-VIP. Just a moment. Perhaps we should add also here respond non-VIP. Save. Now let's run this chart. So what we have to do, we have to set same board in our department configuration, and after that, once we click, everything will work. So I suppose that's it, what you can do with this custom start chat form. Also, for example, if you are if you are VIP, it makes sense. Let's say VIP, if I refresh, makes sense because I can start chat like that. You see, there will be only this message and this one, and so nothing else, and you are chatting with a bot. So what we can do, we can add like default welcome message. So we check it as default. Hi there, for example. Let's end this chat. You see, we have a default message now here. Also, we can do now we can add let's say checkout, checkout, in order to check out, for example. We can add event. This one. Checkout. Yeah. Okay. This will be our checkout trigger. Also, we want to add some, I don't know what you want. Okay. Say like this, and we will use this one if bot doesn't know what customer wrote. So we can try it out. Not, it's typo. Alright. Okay, so we have this one, but if we type now checkout, you see, in order to check out, when we type hi there, we have, I don't know what you want. So now, as you saw, this message is not checked on start chat behavior, this one. So we have to add in default trigger add response smooth as very fast one. Here we want to check we want to choose this one. And let's try like that. If I, because there's a lot of options, but I don't remember all of them at once. Okay, now let's try and see is it works or not. No, not like that, but how it was execute and continue workflow. Okay, this one was different event, so I need to check this one. So let's change to this one. And if we try now, I'm in trouble with work or not? Yeah, you see? Now it checked for the intent also. So that way you can have very flexible flow. So this time for sure, that's it for this series. Bye.